Hey mathematicians, for our sprint today, you have repeated addition as multiplication. So we know that multiplication and repeated addition are the same thing. Okay, so you're going to have a mix of problems written as repeated addition, like number 1, and then also multiplication problems. Okay, you will have 1 minute to do as much as you can. Alright, you're going to begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, time is up. When I say go, I'll start reading answers in the first column, and you will circle the ones that you got correct. Alright, so we have our first column here. I'll start reading in 3, 2, 1, go. 15, 15, 15, 6, 6, 6, 10, 10, 10, 8, 8, 8, 10, 10, 10, 6, 6, 6, 20, 20, 20, 4. Alright, that's the first column. We're going to continue with the second column in 3, 2, 1, go. 12, 12, 12, 9, 9, 15, 15, 15, 14, 14, 14, 18, 18, 18, 12, 12, 12, 16, 16, 16, 28, 28. Alright, that's the end of Sprint A. Take this time to find a pattern or write down something that you've noticed, okay? I'm going to give you 20 seconds. Alright, we're back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now up here, what I circled in green, I just want to draw your attention to. So I saw that we had 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. All the add-ins were the same. So I found my answer by counting by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. That answer is 12. And then we had the multiplication version here. And I know that our symbol, multiplication symbol, tells me that we have 4 groups of 3, or 4 threes. That's the same as adding 3 4 times. That's the same as this repeated addition equation. So I knew that the answer also had to be 12. And then when I looked down here at 3 groups of 4, I'm like, okay, so now that's a little different, but I also know, because of what I know about multiplication, that even if we switch up the factors, the order, we get the same product. 4 groups of 3 is 12, and 3 groups of 4 is also 12. Hopefully you were able to use that, and if you weren't able to use that this time, we have Sprint B for you to practice, okay? So we have repeated addition and multiplication again for Sprint B. Your goal is to improve your score. You have 1 minute to do as many as you can. 3, 2, 1, go. Good work. Your 1 minute is up. Okay, get ready. When I say go, we will start to check our answers for Sprint B. All right, we're going to do the first column in 3, 2, 1, go. 6, 6, 6, 15, 15, 15, 8, 8, 8, 10, 10, 10, 6, 6, 6, 10, 10, 10, 20, 20, 24. So that's the end of the first column. If you are ready to write your number correct at the top and find your improvement score, you may do so. For those of you that need me to keep reading, keep paying attention. We have the second column in 3, 2, 1, go. 12, 12, 12, 16, 16, 20, 20, 20, 12, 12, 12, 16, 16, 16, 14, 14, 14, 18, 18, 18, 24, and 24. All right, so by now, you should be counting up your number correct and write your improvement score. Good job for growing your brain by working hard on this sprint, and we will continue our work today with thinking about repeated addition and multiplication.